you're looking for a new PC that can do 1440 gaming and even 4K gaming, then you're going to make sure you have a really good CPU and GPU combination. And let me tell you, I have that here in the PowerSpec G757. Now, this is packed with an AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, which is, quite frankly, the king of gaming CPUs right now. 8 cores, 16 threads, and 96 megabytes of that L3 cache. This is an awesome gaming CPU that we have paired with an awesome gaming GPU. This also has the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, which is, frankly, probably one of the best GPUs you can get right now, short of a 5090. This gives you 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 VRAM, which is more than enough for 1440 gaming, 4K gaming with all of your favorite games. And don't forget about all of the AI enhancements that you get with frame generation, DLSS 4, or if you just want to go for pure raw raster, well, this machine can also handle that. Now, this has 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, and we've paired that off with a 2 terabyte SSD. So this is everything that you need right out of the box to start gaming right away. But if you find maybe that's not enough storage, well, you can just buy an additional SSD and we will install it for you at the time of purchase at the Knowledge Bar at Microcenter. So when you come on down to pick up your G757, you pick up maybe another 2 terabytes of storage. Our associates at the Knowledge Bar, well, they'll install that for you free of charge. And that's a really awesome service that not a lot of people take advantage of. So if you want to upgrade the memory or add anything else to this PC, you should really take advantage of that service. And don't forget, we have so many other things that you can bundle with this guy. So if you're looking for protection plans, or maybe antivirus with ESET, or even Microsoft 365 products, and do not forget about Priority Care Plus, which is like having tech support in your back pocket available at any time. Just call them right up and they can help you with any issue. And if you do run into any hardware issues with your PowerSpec, don't forget that you can bring it to any Microcenter location and we have a 48-hour repair guarantee. So that means within 48 hours, we'll make sure that we get this in tip-top shape. But I wouldn't worry about that too much because the PowerSpec G757, well, this is a performer. This is going to do really, really well at any game that you throw at this. We build a lot of PCs here on the Microcenter YouTube channel, and I gotta say, that 9800X3D paired off with the 5080, that really is the best combo when it comes to gaming. And you can get that with the PowerSpec G757. So stop by your local Microcenter, check out all of our PCs, our PowerSpecs, and all of our PC components. If you don't have a Microcenter near you, then be sure to comment #IWantAMicrocenter near me.